Hi guys, it's going to be a quick little video. All the wheels that I ordered and traded in all came in the post today, and already took the M10-3 for a quick little ride, and now I'm on the KingSong KS-S18 first ride. It's the black one. I ordered whatever came first, so black or white. I said to the guys at Speedy Feet, whatever model comes first, I'm having that. And the black one arrived, so it was a pleasant surprise. I inflated the shock and stuff, everything to the recommended pressures. So main chamber I think is 120. The smaller chamber is I think 50 or 55. So that's done. I've logged into the app to unlock it. The shock is inflated. I've set up an account on the app, so that's all cool. Logged in, unlocked the wheel, and that's all registered and it's connected to my iPhone, so that's quite nice. That all worked fine. I also inflated the tire. It says I think 35 to 45 psi. I'm running at about just under 40, so 37 psi. I weigh 72 kilos, say 70 kilos, between 70 and 72 kilos. And yeah, the wheel is humongous. It's a fat tire coming from a Gotway M Super. This is a big old tire. So that's inflated. You can still I'm doing my usual off-road trail, and you can see the tire, or you can feel the tire is still very smooth. So be careful not to drop this wheel. Not on the first ride, come on. So yeah, the shock's inflated. The wheel is inflated, so that's quite nice. It feels quite good. I've basically missed a curb and dropped down a curb, and with the suspension you don't feel it. It's just like a tick, dead quiet. There's no battery shake or any funny business. Very nice. So yeah, I was getting some miles on it because it's locked to 12 miles an hour, 12.8 miles an hour, and you can see if I go a little bit faster, it starts beeping. So that's the maximum speed it wants you to go for. I actually don't know how long. I haven't read the manual yet. I've done all the research on the web, so I know a bit about it. But I'm just going to go for a loop. I need to get back home. It's 7:30 now. So come and join me on this short little ride. Just some initial thoughts on the wheel. It almost feels like motorbike-like. It's like that's stable. It just feels like, because it's heavy and it's solid, it just feels like you're almost riding a motorbike. It's weird. It must be the same for the Sherman as well, and the V11, because the wheels are so big and heavy, and they ride quite high. You know, you feel like a legend. So just this initial impressions, very high. And even if you have to step off and step back on, you know, the smaller wheels are very jittery. This is just like an rock solid. You get up and you don't even have to lean your one leg in to balance to get up. This is just almost like stand up because it's so heavy. Let me show you a bit of the wheel. thumbs up. Let's have a quick closer look at the wheel. So that's the beast, all in black, matte black. The shock is just absolutely lovely. That's the lockout. And I've set this little rubber so it doesn't go lower than the 20% as they said on the instruction video. So you fill it up, and if you bottom this thing out, it shouldn't be, I think, lower than that, about there. It shouldn't go lower than that, as far as I understand. So you need to increase the pressure then, so it doesn't bottom out if you take big hits. But it's a lovely wheel. These pads that they increase the size of, that's really comfortable. Really comfortable. It works perfect for me. Quality wise, the pads are all cool. A few things that I did find is the right hand pedal is perfectly, actually it's this one. Just check. Yeah, the left-handed one is perfectly, the grip tape is perfectly inside the little recess, where the right one is not. You can see there's a slight little gap, but that's no biggie, that's just grip tape. This rear light looks really lovely. The trolley handle works perfect. The little button is standing out, so when you press it down, and I must say this works perfect. So that's the beep, and now it dips forward, but there's still a bit of what do you call it, resistance in the wheel. And then you take it up, and then it balances, and it's nice and solid. Got my Speedy Feet stickers on. Yeah, it's a beast of a machine. This shock mechanism is absolutely brilliant. So when you do inflate the shock, is to let the air out of both, and then drop it down and put the little metal block, not metal block, that plastic block in there, so it doesn't push up higher, so you can inflate the top, the main chamber. But yeah, lovely, man, absolutely lovely. The light is bright. Just a lovely machine. That's it. Happy with my purchase so far. I need to get it unlocked now. I'm going on holiday tomorrow, so won't be riding this. I'm going to take the M10 3-width for our camping trip, because it's nice and small, and then when I get back for the weekend, I'm going to take this beast out. So hopefully it's not going to be raining. The weather in the UK has turned a little bit for the worst. But yeah, lovely bit of kit. It's absolutely love it. Just feels solid, well made. Well, all the wheels that I bought, but it's just a nice design. Just, yeah. Okay guys, well that's it. I have to get home. It's getting quite late, so I'm going to do another bit of a loop, see if I can get rid of this 12 miles an hour restriction, and then I will probably see you on the next ride over the weekend when I get some time. So hopefully the weather in the UK will calm down and become really nice, so I can get out over the weekend. So all the guys that are getting their S18s, congratulations guys. I think you're going to love it. Take it slow, enjoy the ride, play around with the settings, the wheel pressure, the shock pressure, and just get out and ride. I think you guys are going to love it. So see you on the next one. Cheers. so much rain. It's like a big rain this afternoon, so everything is so wet. New wheel, wet weather, no! Please help! What I can say is there's no spray kick up from the back when I go through the water, so that's quite nice because I use the wheel to go to work on, and if there's any spray and muck that gets kicked up on the off the wheel because it doesn't have a mud guard, then it's a bit of a pain. So this is keeping my legs clean, so I'm happy with that. Just a last little note, you can change the speed settings in speed settings in the app. So you can set your first, second, third, and then tilt back. The first, second, and third alarms, and then the fourth is the tilt back one. So yes, you can set it. You don't have to ride a certain amount of miles. So I've just set mine to 20 miles an hour for the tilt back. And yeah, it's unlocked now. If it doesn't take it the first time, try and quit the app and just restart the app. Reconnect, set your settings, and then go. But mine's open now. I'm doing 15 miles an hour now. Lovely. Feels so high up. Okay, well, second goodbye. Cheers.